Net Guard Rescue Drone. A group of design students in China have developed a concept they call Net Guard. It turns drones into life-saving tools. The idea here is that a set of 4 drones can work together to deploy a net. The net could then be used to transport people who are trapped in high places, such as burning buildings or other structures. Each drone would require 2 rotors in order to steer themselves independently of each other. Similar to how the Sprite or Clio drones work, which implement 2 rotors. Quadcopter drones are relatively stable, because their propellers are arranged in a static, rigid frame. But stretching a net between the corners adds several layers of complexity. And catching a person on that net would make this project almost unfeasible. The concept is obviously very cool, and the students should be commended for their creativity. But don't expect this solution anytime soon. It will need at least a decade of development.